Hello girls, I'm Ruchita and you're watching FOMO, Fashion on My Own. We've given you some makeup tips previously, which you ladies ought to know. And now I have some new makeup tips to share with you, so keep watching. Before I start today's video, I want to make you girls aware that FOMO has crossed 7,500 subscribers. Yay! And yes, there's a giveaway at the end of this video, so you have to watch it till the end.
Does your foundation look cakey and unnatural? What you need to do is apply the foundation all over your face and then wipe it off your cheeks with the help of a tissue paper. This makes it easier to layer the blush on without it looking fake. If you want the look of whiter teeth without undergoing a whitening treatment, then use a red lip stain on the gum line. This will make your teeth look white instantly. Turn your pencil eyeliner into a gel formula with the help of a lighter or a match. All you need to do is hold the kohl eye pencil under the flame for 1 second and let it cool off for 15 seconds and watch the consistency change right before your eyes. You're only supposed to keep your mascara up to 3 months because beyond that it collects bacteria and can cause infections in your eye. But in case if it dries up before 3 months, you can revive it using a saline solution or any brand of eye drops. To figure out where you should be dusting the bronzer on your face, roll a pen, pencil or a makeup brush right below the cheekbone to find the right angle for your face. Once you've figured the perfect spot, all you need to do is dust the bronzer using a contouring brush and diffuse the color so it looks natural. If you want clump-free eyelashes, which is not always easy to achieve, all you need to do is wipe the mascara wand off on a tissue paper before each application. In this way, you can apply several strokes seamlessly. Now here's a blemish secret. Instead of using a fat tube concealer all over your face, all you need to do is rub a little bit of concealer on the tip of the eyeliner brush and apply it to your blemish. In this way, you have precise control. Hold a blow dryer next to your lash curler for about 3 to 5 seconds. The heat works in the same way as in case of a curling iron, giving you those flirty eyelashes which will last all day. Sweep a white matte pencil over the entire length of the brow bone to create the illusion of a higher arch and then blend, blend, blend. It should not be detectable. Now here's a lip cheat you ought to know. Line your lips just outside your natural lip line slightly. Don't go overboard because you don't want to end up looking like a clown, right? Although you apply a moisturizer using upward strokes to prevent the fine lines and the face from sagging, you should use downward strokes when you apply powder or foundation. This is because most of us have little bit of hair on our face and it grows downwards. If you apply the makeup upwards, it will stick straight up, making it even more visible. Always apply a foundation into your skin with the use of your hands because this is a moisturizer and it really sinks into your skin without leaving it spotty or streaky. At the same time, the warmth generated from your hands heats the product and it gives a more smoother and natural finish. If you want to make your manicure last longer, all you need to do is apply clear nail polish every 2 days. But you need to take special care of the tip of your nails where the chip tends to happen and apply more clear polish there. Apply a shimmery gloss to the center of your lips, top and bottom. This will attract light to your lips, making them look pouty. So ladies, now you know about all the cool makeup tricks and I hope you like them. Now coming to the contest, if you want to win this BB Cream from Colorbar, you need to tell me in the comments below as to why you should win this. But of course, you need to be a subscriber for that. So participate to win and subscribe to FOMO, Fashion on My Own. Bye! This makes it easier to layer the blush on. Turn your pencil eyeliner into a gel formula with the help of natural light. Roll a pen, pencil or a makeup brush handle right below the cheekbone and then apply it.
You have black eyes by the end of it.